Recording.
Start, Mangalam ji. Start. Don't waste your time.
Yes, good afternoon, all of you. Today's group discussion topic is fake news. So we have Law Prakash, Aniket, Ravish, and Pius have joined. Who wants to speak first? I would like
Mangalam Mishra.
then from Pius. Pius, you should start first.
Okay. Very good afternoon to all of you. As we know that our today's topic is fake news. I think fake news means false information. False information that we get nowadays. Nowadays, traditionally we got news from our journalists and media which are trustworthy. But nowadays social media has play a vital role in 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 distributing or in evaluating the fake news very rapidly, like Facebook, Insta, or Twitter. These are the social medias which are, I think, spread fake news rapidly. I think this site may ban, or this site may make some condition about the spreading of fake news in our societies. There should not be. I think fake news fake news are mainly used for harassment of people or their popularity or their I think their reputation reputation for their reputation damage purpose. So I think this site may like prevent this type of newses to restrict about spreading, or they may create some some rules to restrict this type of newses. And okay, thank you from my side.
Yes, thank you, Pius, for your point. Yes, I have. So can I make my point?
Mangalam, may I?
Yes, Mangalam ji.
Ravi, so you want to speak?
Yes, you can.
Okay, I will just a few 2 or 3 minutes about the fake news.
You have to
So
speak anything you can. Then I.
voice is not coming properly. I think Ravish, your voice is not coming properly.
Continue.
Okay, so today's topic is fake news.
Is it audible, Mangalam?
Yes, now audible.
Yeah, continue.
Yes, I am going to proceed. Today's topic is fake news. Yesterday we have discussed about the online education. Prior to that, we have discussed about the effects of social media on the younger generation. Yesterday we have discussed on the topic effects of social media on the younger generation, and before that we have discussed on the topic online education. So these things somewhat related to the fake news, as due to online education we are using, means youths are using internet, mobile phone, and social media, and these are the platform for the fake news. As Pius discussed about what is fake news, so I will not go about the what is fake news. We often see there are floods of messages are circulating on the WhatsApp, Facebook, and other social media platform which is fake but seems to be real. For example, you often heard that that UNESCO declared the Modis as the best prime minister. Today I was reading a newspaper. So in newspaper, it was news of the vaccine hesitancy in the village of Odisha. So in one village, about 500 people leave the village due to the fear of vaccine. Why they leave the village? Because a fake WhatsApp video was circulating. So in that video, it was mentioned that if you take the vaccine, then you will die after 2 years. So due to that fear, they leave the village. So it was the news of today. And social media etc are overloaded with these types of information. But the fake news, it is said that for a there is reason everything there is reason behind everything. So there is reason behind also the fake news. Actually, the fake news started in the USA prior to the election in 2016. And also some websites or media house used to create their website and put the fake news on the website. So actually fake news is very means it seems to be interesting. For example, miracle cure of cancer. Everybody wants to open the link and see what is the miracle treatment of the cancer. So they used to make a website and put the fake news on them. Due to that, they get traffic on their website and it is a revenue source for them. In a similar manner, political party used to propagate their agenda to the public so that they can reach to more and more people and blame the opposition parties so that they can win in the upcoming election. As fake news maybe the business model for some political party to seed the distrust and prejudice among the citizens of the country. Why fake news is why we believe on the fake news. Actually, we receive fake news from our friend, relative, and the person who are very close to us. And if as we are receiving from the person who are very close to us, that's why we rely on that news very easily. We consider that I received from his Ravi's LPG, so he is my friend, and he will obviously he will send correct message. So I will believe that it is not fake news. So this is the reason why people believe fake news as true news. Second point I want to make that as it is said that bad news is spread fastly, so the speed of the fake news is the speed of the fake news is very high. So it spread very quickly among the target group. Suppose a political party wants to target a certain group, then he will draft the message, video. Even there is technology that deep fake. So deep fake is a technology by which suppose I will take a photograph of you and some audio clip. Then deep fake is based on the artificial intelligence, and I will make your similar videos. So suppose I will make a similar videos for the opposition parties and I will circulate on the WhatsApp, then it will be helpful for me in the election. So I gave some example which is based especially for the election purpose. Also there is fake news. Also there are many types of fake news. Some people used to circulate masses for the sake of just fun, for the sake of revenge porn, and we also see that there are certain authentic person, means the person who are sitting in the power or the person who are in administration. They often tweeted or posted the link of the fake news because they also trust that this is the true news. So what we can do, suppose you are receiving any link which is fraud. Often we receive in the WhatsApp group that this is Amazon gift, this is gift 25th anniversary of some company. So if you see the link with carefully, uh, if you see the link carefully, then by uh, just after seeing, you can see that the link is not authentic. Second thing you can do, if you receive a photo, suppose uh, a few months ago I read fake news about the fire in the industry of the Mumbai, but it was the industry of the Mexico. So when you receive a photo, then you can there is option of Google reverse image search. After doing this, you can find the what is the truth behind this. Third one you can do is that you should not forward the messages which are fake, and also you should tell the person who used to send you fake messages, as my friend, this is not the not true message. You should not uh, forward this message because it promotes the fake news. So that's all from my side.
Nice, Mangalam ji. You made a very beautiful
बहुत
point
अच्छा
about
point मंगलम भाई
how to avoid it and how to get secure about fake news and what should we take a precaution about it. So anyone else who want to say something?
Yes, thank you very
Ravish.
much. Ravish,
yeah
please
yeah
make your
very good point. Yeah, am I audible,
Yes.
Mangalam?
Yes.
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah, thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Today's topic of group discussion is fake news. As we know that since from morning we wake up with the news. We want to see, we want to listen what is happening around the world through the various social sites, websites, and news channels. But we trust just a second, we trust on any news. We are not going to check the authentication of any news, what has happened, it is truly or it is just for fun. But as we know that fake news is very hazardous and dangerous for us and our country. As my dear friend Mangan has told you, that the political party may take advantage of fake news in such a way that it is not only political party. There are so many parties and there are so many persons which are taking advantage, which are just attacking, just what we call cyber attacks take place by the fake news. Often we comes any link on our Gmail. We don't see the site that we call HTTP, yeah, or HTTPS, means if this site is secure or not. We just trust that something is giving a lot of price, a lot of money. We just trust on it. Or what we can do about the fake news, that any news comes from your friend, relatives, and near and dear ones. We have to tell them that any message comes to you, first you check the authentication of this news, whether this is false or true. You check from your side, then forward to others. Means first you have to just yes, first you have to check the authentication of the news, then forward to the others. In similar way, if the fake news from, yeah, Mangalam, yeah, okay. Uh, for example, any news comes to you, any news comes to you that something happens in this part of country, and we often to hear that the riots had taken place in the country on the basis of the fake news, what we call uh, false post on the Facebooks, WhatsApp, Insta, and so many sites uh, on which the fake news posted daily. And second thing that we can do to resolve these solutions and the problem of this solution is that there are many news channels which just check the news and tell us the news is either false or true, what we call the viral video, true or false. And there are many headlines I came to often every day. And this was the second point. And the third point, what we can do, that any news comes to you, then you, as Mangam already has told, that there are reverse image option. That's also my point. But one thing I had to add, that if this is just for them, that they know about the social sites, mobile, and but who doesn't use the mobile laptops, and how can he check the false news? There are newspapers, there are magazines, there are so many articles on which you can research that this news was already published in newspaper or not, and what has taken. And the fourth point, to escape from these problems and to resolve these problems from the fake news, is that the doesn't trust on any news. You yourself are responsible for the news, whether it's the fake or true. Means ki means oh sorry, yeah, means uh, thank you.
Yes, thank you, Ramesh, for your point. You made the point about the means if when we open the website, we should look at whether it is at HTTP or HTTPS not is there or not. If there is not, then we should avoid that type of link. And also, we should read the authentic source for the news purpose. So, thank you, Ramesh,
Yeah.
very much. So, I would like to
Thank you, Mangalam.
so. Abhay and Dheeraj, would you like to make
Yeah,
point? I think Dheeraj should
Abhay,
make the
next
point
one.
first, so that he will speak speak at last also, because he used to speak less. So I would like to speak from. I would like to hear from Dheeraj.
Dheeraj. Are you Dheeraj? Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, continue, Dheeraj.
Hello. Good afternoon to everyone. Our today topic is fake news. As you know, fake news is the news which is not originate from original source. Original source means not come from real events. As we know, fake news many times become dangerous due to lack of original informations and or true informations. And nowadays, due to social media, there if a single people wants to create a fake news, they can easily pass their news due to various availability of social media. And it spread all over the it spreads all over the world very fastly. Thank you. That's all from my.
Yes, very good, Dheeraj. You have made the point that in this era, anyone can make the prepare the fake news by using the various graphic tools, and it spreads very fastly. Abhay, are you available? Go ahead.
Yes, yes. Am I audible?
Yes, you are
Yes,
audible
yes,
perfectly.
Abhay, you are audible.
If possible, then try to fix the
Today,
audio so that
today is the world of today is the generation of digital world. In this generation, any news can spread very fast as everyone is using digital media. Everyone is having mobile phones, laptop, and internet connectivity. Everyone can see what is happening around the globe, and at one click, we can spread message to hundred of people. But at the same time, we should be concerned about what we are spreading. Many of the are spreading the news without knowing whether it is true or not. This can really lead to very much problems such as violence can be also created, and many mob lynching happened in recent years. And also it is a crime to forward fake messages which can create violence. After violence is created, the person who unknowingly forwarded the fake news can also be punished. It's really very dangerous to spread such news. Nowadays very much fake news are being circulated in social media and digital media about vaccine, due to which people are uh, becoming fearful in taking vaccines and are not trusting our scientist made vaccine. Many actually responsible people of for propagation of fake news are mainly the people who have against each other to अपने मतलब opponent की छवि को खराब करने के लिए the political parties are spreading the fake news against them without knowing it is true or not. They are not bothering whether it is true or not. They are only thinking whether they will get benefited or not. And many people having mindset of any particular community such as Hindus and Muslim communities are spreading violence against other communities. Suppose I am a mentally sick person and I believe only in Hinduism and I am against other religions. So a video came of a person selling fruit who is spreading his larva on the fruit. So I will feel that yes, it will be always true because I have same mentality against that particular community or so. And many uneducated person when they get news from their relative, and many educated also when they get news from trustworthy sources, they think that my friend or relative is sending that means it is true. They have no time to verify it. If a person have not that much time that he can verify the news or he is not sure about whether the news is true or not, he should not forward it at any cost. Whether he is getting from anywhere, it doesn't matter. Third point is uneducated person in villages are not having the mobile phones, and younger generation who are to people who are having mobile phones are telling the older generation these things about fake news, and the news is spread soon in the village as nobody will be able to check. They will believe that yes, my son or my relative or my neighbor has told, so this is correct. And many of the village people will think that yes, it is correct. So first of all, should be aware, and if you get any fake news from any of the relatives or any trustworthy source, then also we should not trust unless we are pretty much sure about that. If we don't have time to check whether it is fake or not, we should also not forward it. And strict laws are being made by government, so we should take care about the fake news. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Abhay. You made
Yeah,
the
very good,
brilliant
Abhay.
point about the fake news. You highlighted the point that how it create chaos in our society, and how political party get benefited by the fake news, and also you said that the fake message is spread very uh, spread fastly, and we just forward it without checking. So Aniket is still left for
Yeah,
speaking.
next
So
to
I would
Aniket.
request to Aniket to highlight
Good afternoon,
your
everyone.
opinion.
Thank you, Manglam. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aniket, and today I'm going to put my views on the topic fake news. Basically, fake news are something that is used to uh, okay, let me start again. Fake news are those news which are used to mislead the people in the society, and it is not it is not started yet. It has been following for many centuries, but now in the time, so through social media, it has become very easy. If we talk about the past, then you must have heard that in any village, uh, that there is a ghost under this tree. These were the kind of fake news that were used to be like a rumor to make people fear, and this was the way that make this originated. And now in the social media, we will find this that fake news are at peak. What we can do to uh, make us aware from this, whenever we see any news on social media, we can basically go on Google and search by ourselves that whether the news is correct or not. A few more things we can add, that we should prefer to read newspaper. If we can give our 1 hour daily to read newspaper, and basically it is founded that there are no fake news in the newspaper. We can find fake news on social media or news channel as well, but not on newspaper. So one thing this can be do. Another thing we found on YouTube, we will see such kind of thumbnails that how to earn 50K in 1 hour. These are the fake rumors. These are the thumbnails that are created to get attention and make money. That's what the social media influencers do. So thank you.
Yes, thank you, Aniket, for your point. You highlighted the point that how we can prevent the fake news. So we should read the newspaper, and we should follow the authentic source. So everyone have uh, put their opinion. Law Prakash, if you want to speak just a few words, then we will be very, very glad.
Yes, Prakash, continue.
Yes. I am
Yes,
also
go ahead.
available. So I am saying something about this topic, that is fake news. Yes, fake news is very bad thing in recent in 21st century, because we know that 21st century is the growing century in technology and many things. But we can say in another अफवाह अफवाह तो पहले भी था, आज भी वही चीज हो रहा है. What is the development in current scenario? आज से 200 साल पहले भी अफवाह था, अभी भी अफवाह हो रहा है, जो कि होने का तरीका अलग हो चुका है सोशल मीडिया के माध्यम से. तो इस टेक्नोलॉजी का हम लोग क्या करें? फिर अफवाह ही रहेगा तो सही जानकारी नहीं मिल पाएगी, तो इसको हम लोग यूटिलाइज करेंगे नेशन को बिल्ड करने में. तो आई थिंक दैट टेक्नोलॉजी आया है, बहुत अच्छी बात है, लेकिन इसके साथ अफवाह का भी सोर्स आया है. We recently in current scenario there is situation of COVID-19 and black fungus, and in current period there are many fake news about these things are circulating on the WhatsApp group and Facebook group. These humiliating the minds of young people and also old age people. I recently talked with people about the COVID-19 vaccine. They talk about as you already discussed that if you take vaccine you die in 2 years. So I think that this is the fake news which is circulating on the WhatsApp groups and many WhatsApp groups. So I think that this is the very bad for this current situations, and I think that government should take strictly actions and create a algorithm to save these fake news from WhatsApp chats and automatic deleted from these sources, because finally he create humiliation एंड घबराहट की स्थिति पैदा कर रहा है बहुत सारे यंग पीपल में. आई थिंक दे आर मेनी 90 to 95% न्यूज circulating are on the WhatsApp, Facebook, or any social media platforms are fake. So I think that government should take strictly actions about this, and also discuss about IT sectors and um, what and talking with the जो इसके जानकार हैं, क्या इससे उपाय निकल सकता है, कैसे इसको कम कर सकते हैं, हाउ टू डिक्रीज बैड न्यूज फ्रॉम द सोशल मीडिया, ताकि हम लोग अपने इस मानव इस ह्यूमैनिटी को बचा सके. क्योंकि फेक न्यूज आज भी वही चल रहा है जो आज से 2 साल पहले भी चल रहा था, जो कि चलने का प्रोसेस अलग था. सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू चल रहा है. उस समय बातों के सहारे चलता था, भूत प्रेत की कहानियों के सहारे चलता था. तो ये क्या डिफरेंस रह जाएगा इन सोशल मीडिया और इस टेक्नोलॉजी के आने से. तो आई थिंक देयर शुड बी टेक स्ट्रिक्टली एक्शंस about these things of government and different and also take actions. Facebook and WhatsApp make a algorithm to delete some fake news, and may expert give best suggestion about these things. Thank you. This is my points about this fake news. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Prakash. You made the wonderful point. I am agree
Yeah,
with
nice
your
point.
Yes, as you said that the means the way change of fake news. As we know that there is problem in physical world. That problem is also in the virtual world. So I think all the persons have made the point, but Dheeraj in the first attempt he speak very less. So I think we should give the chance to Dheeraj. After that, we have only 4 minutes left. Then we will do accordingly. So, Dheeraj, are you available?
Yes, but I have no other point.
Yes,
I will
just
try
say how to
tomorrow.
prevent, how to take a step regarding the prevent of the fake news.
Now I am busy in other work also, so
Okay,
I
okay.
Okay,
So,
Manglam.
my
Okay, Manglam. I will put my points
think-
again. I would
Yeah.
like
Give chance to Aniket. Yeah,
yes,
Aniket.
Aniket,
try
just
to improve
1
this
minute.
time. LPG, I would like to stop recording.
No. We
Okay.
have
This will
only 3
continue.
minutes left. We have only 3 minutes
ये
left.
तो-
So, if anybody wants to speak, then speak. And if anybody
चलिए
wants
मंगलम,
to
हम इस
go,
बार हिंदी में बोलने का प्रयास करते हैं और आप हमको बताइए कि मेरे उस वाले में और इस वाले में क्या डिफरेंस
Okay,
Yes,
I can
yeah,
stop
yeah.
the recording.
no.
Yes, you may stop.
Oh, okay.
No,
There is
Prakash.
only 3 minutes time left.
Yes, Aniket,
news-
you have only 1 minute time. Speak first.
Okay. Fake news are those news which are generally spreaded among the society just to mislead them and make them unconscious by the viral newses. Basically, it is not started yet. ये बहुत पहले ही शुरू हो चुका था, आज से 100-200 साल पहले. अभी ये कोई नया चीज शुरू नहीं हुआ है. पहले के टाइम में इसका यूज किया जाता था पॉलिटिकल एजेंडाज में, कुछ इस तरह से यूज किया जाता था, या फिर छोटे मोटे घर में भी यूज किया जाता. जैसे देखा जाता था कि विलेज में कहीं सुनते थे कि इस पेड़ के नीचे भूत है, तो लोग रात में उधर नहीं जाते थे. जैसे हम सभी लोग हॉस्टलर्स हैं, तो आप हॉस्टल्स में जरूर सुने हो कभी ना कभी कि यहाँ पे किसी न किसी ने सुसाइड किया और उसका भूत यहाँ पे घूम रहा है. तो इस तरह के न्यूज यूज किए जाते थे डराने के लिए. लेकिन हमें इस न्यूज पे इतनी आसानी से भरोसा नहीं करना चाहिए. और आज के जमाने में जैसे टेक्नोलॉजी इतना आ चुका है, तो सोशल मीडिया सबसे बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म बन चुका है. ओके, अब है सोशल मीडिया सबसे बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म बन चुका है इस तरह की न्यूज को स्प्रेड करने के लिए, क्योंकि ये बहुत ईजी है. तो जनरली जो हमारे फेक न्यूज जो सबसे ज्यादा स्प्रेड होते हैं वो होते हैं सोशल मीडिया से और न्यूज चैनल से. तो एक चीज जो हम सबसे पहले कर सकते हैं वो ये है कि हम अखबार पढ़ने पे ध्यान दें, क्योंकि अखबार में जितने पॉइंट्स लिखे होते हैं वो जनरली सही होते हैं. बहुत ही कम चांस होता है कि उसमें फेक न्यूज हो. दूसरी बात, सोशल मीडिया पे हम जब भी कोई न्यूज हमें मिलता है तो पहले हमें देखना चाहिए कि वो सही है कि गलत. वो एक बार में देखने से पता चल जाता है कि कभी कभी डाउट हो जाता है, हाँ ये गलत हो सकता है. उस टाइम हमें क्या करना चाहिए कि हमें जाना चाहिए गूगल पे, उसको देखना चाहिए, उसके बाद उसे शेयर करना चाहिए. अब जो हमारी व्हाट्सएप वगैरह है वहाँ पे भी ये बहुत चीज बहुत बार शेयर होता है, फेक न्यूज, तो व्हाट्सएप ने एक नया एक्शन लिया था कुछ टाइम पहले कि आप किसी मैसेज को 5 बार से ज्यादा फॉरवर्ड नहीं कर सकते। तो मेरे ख्याल से ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा डिसीजन था। उसके अलावा सोशल मीडिया के क्राइम्स को कम करने के लिए जो साइबर क्राइम जिस तरह से वर्क कर रही है, साइबर क्राइम का ये काम है कि जितने भी फेक न्यूज है जो सर्कुलेट हो रहे हैं उसका इंफॉर्मेशन का पता लगाना और उसे बताना लोगों तक कि ये न्यूज गलत है। तो ये काम वो कर रही है। उसके अलावा कुछ स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शंस लेने चाहिए ऐसे लोगों के खिलाफ जो इस तरह के फेक न्यूज़ फैला रहे हैं। और जनरली मैंने एक और चीज पाया है कि ये फेक न्यूज हमारे पापा, हमारे अंकल, दादा, ये लोग में ज्यादा होता है क्योंकि वो लोग सोशल मीडिया पे नए हैं और उन्हें अगर छोटी से छोटी चीज दिखाई दी है तो उन्हें लगता है कि ये सच है। जैसे कि मंगलम ने बताया था कि अमेजोन वाले जो लिंक्स होते हैं, सही बात है, आप उस पर अगर गौर से देखिएगा तो उसके आगे बिटली करके एक लिखा होगा, bitly.some, उस पर लिखा होगा कि आप इस लिंक पे जाइए तो आपको ऑफर्स मिलेंगे, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता, आपको वो देख के पता चलेगा। तो आपको